About this item: car charger for portable DVD player, works for DBPOWER, Boifun, Yatun, IE Geek, Gkuro, MyDash, SQQBZZ, 1E, Bangor portable DVD player, Spectra S1, S2 breast pump, Bluetooth speakers, external hard drives, mini fan, LED strip, camera, router, CCTV, tire inflator, compatible with Snailax seat cushion, SL262M, SL126, SL262P, and many small household electronic products. Car charger supply specification: output, DC 12V2A, compatible with 0.5A, 1A, 1.5A and 2A, max. 24W. Diversity: the portable DVD player car charger comes with 8 popular connectors, DC jack size, 5.5 x 2.1 mm, 8 connectors, 5.5 x 2.5 mm, 4.8 x 1.7 mm, 4.0 x 1.7 mm, 4.0 x 1.35 mm, 3.5 x 1.35 mm, 3.0 x 1.1 mm, 2.5 x 0.7 mm, LED interface. Suitable for various models: bus, SUV, van, car, minibus, truck, boat, or motorhome.